How you doing, guys? This is Sam again, as an expert locksmith. We're making a key here for Ford Focus 2015. Let me show you how I'm programming it. I already cut the key, basically leash it to the door. Right now the car is not going to start. As you see, nothing happened, even though I turn it. Nothing happened. We'll have to program it. Off, continue. Here's program. Let's try it. Just have the file. Okay, yeah, let's try it. So right now, and the car start. Thank you very much. Again, Sam, expert locksmith here in San Antonio.